In this video, we will see how to set up an GitHub account. So let's visit GitHub website and click sign up in top right corner of your browser. It will ask for email address. Just enter your email address and select continue. Once you add email here, create a new strong password for this account, which you can remember later. Then enter a username, which should be unique and not taken by any of the other person. It will prompt you if the username is not available for you. Now if you want product updates, you can choose Y here or else just type N and press continue. To verify your account, it will ask you to solve small puzzle. Just select start puzzle and select the appropriate identical object. Now once you get a green signal by GitHub, just select create account. Alright, just head on to your email which you have mentioned here and check for the code which GitHub has sent. Just copy the code and paste it down. Once you paste the code, it will again ask some basic information. Just select the appropriate options and press continue. Now it will recommend you some features that may help you in future, but right now we don't need this. Scroll down and select continue. If you are a student, then you can choose this option for some extra benefit. They may ask some identity proof for it, but if you ask me personally, I love free things, so let's select the free version. And finally we have managed to set up our account. Now this GitHub will act as a remote server where you can upload the files from your local repository. If you are following this series, you can easily connect with what I am talking about.